Okay, people, taking a break from my Wally build, I decided to start putting this thing together and I was able to complete it in 1 week. It's the little guy from Batteries Not Included, and I think it turned out pretty well, and I wanted to show the progress. So I just want to give you a 360 view of it. I'm particularly happy with the way the antennas turned out. And the other antennas for the bottom of the body, those were custom made because they really didn't come with the model. So I had to design something and 3D print it, make it look as accurate as possible. There's hardly any references out there, and the ones that are there are not very clear. So I did the best that I could, given that this thing is over 30 years old since the movie came out. All I got to do now is put the lights for the eyes and some other electronics that I'm going to try, and it'll be complete. I'll come back with another update once I install the lights so everybody can see how the lights will look once the things are turned on. That about wraps it up for this update. We'll see you around next time.